Hi, I'm Jonathan. Now that you've got your Highlander in-dash navigation system installed, you've got your iPod in hand, your USB device ready to go, let's go ahead and take a quick tour of how the system works. The buttons on the Highlander navigation system are all set up to be clear and concise. Your hard buttons, which consist of your seek for your radio up and down, your quick navigation button to go to your navigation settings, your volume up and down button, as well as an instant mute. On this side you have your tune for your radio, so your channel's up and your channel's down, as well as your audio tuning, so loudness if the car comes equipped with a subwoofer or not. You also have your phone quick button, so when you hook up your Bluetooth enabled phone you can dial straight from the screen, as well as your source for AV in and eject for your CD disc. Your soft buttons, which are actually pressed on the screen, consist of your disc, your radio, your XM radio, your iPod functionality, the navigation soft button, USB, and Bluetooth. So everything you need is directly from the radio, either by the hard buttons or the soft buttons themselves. So let's go ahead and enter an address or point of interest in your navigation. First, push the navigation soft key. Hit address or intersection. You always want to make sure that you're in the right state. In the upper right hand corner will be the initials for the state. So right now we're actually in New York, so that's correct. And then we want to go, let's say we're going to go to the Sheraton Hotel. So we want to make sure we're in the right city. So we're going to go into Hauppauge, H-A-U, and it's going to come up Hauppauge. It'll enter street name. I actually know that it's on Motor Parkway. Motor Parkway comes up and it asks for the house number. Let's go 110 and hit the green OK. Now it's going to give you a choice. Do you want to start the route? Do you want to find a point of interest near it? Or do you want to save it for a later date? Let's go ahead and start route. Just like that, it's going to calculate how long it takes. And you see that it says please proceed straight ahead. So you know that you're on your way. You can also save an address as your favorite, as in your home or your office. Let's go ahead and save an address as your favorite. So hit the navigation soft key. Down on the bottom you're going to see a house and you're going to see a building. Let's go ahead and set the building for our office. It's going to ask office address not set. Do you want to set it? We'll push yes. The address, let's go ahead and stay in Hauppauge. We're going to go to Motor Parkway. M-O-T, should pop it up right there. 110 for the address, and hit confirm. It'll ask you set office address to the 110 Motor Parkway. Confirm yes, and now your office is saved. So every time you get in, let's say you're out grocery shopping, you come back, you want to go back to your office, you literally will come back in and go to favorites, address book, and then to your office. Hit start route, calculates within a couple seconds, and you're free to go. With over 11 million points of interest, 3D mapping, and turn-by-turn directions, the Highlander navigation system is sure to get you where you need to go. So let's look at it a little closer and see how to go about this. Another way to search using your navigation is to hit navigation soft key. You're going to want to go in and hit point of interest. This is going to allow you to search for categories. So hit category, and let's say we want to search for an airport. You can go through here and all your categories are listed. So your airport, your ATM, go down, you've got banks, beauty shops, anything you would like. So let's go ahead and do a bank, for instance. So we'll hit bank. We're going to search, sort by distance because we want to find something close to us. And the first one that comes up, let's say we want the Chase. 102 Adams Avenue. It's going to tell you how far it is and actually what the phone number is in case you need to talk to them as well. Let's go ahead and click on it. Start route. It's going to process it and you're on your way. Easy as 1, 2, 3. With Bluetooth built in, it allows the driver to keep their hands on the wheel and their eyes on the road, all while talking hands-free. Let's go ahead and show you how to go about this. So an important safety feature these days is hands-free driving. Let's go ahead and show you how to pair your Bluetooth cell phone. Hit the Bluetooth soft key. You're going to want to hit device. There's a few phones in there already. I don't see mine, so let's go ahead and search for it. So we're going to hit search. It's going to go out and send a signal to all the phones or Bluetooth items within. Our phone came up. Let's go ahead and hit HTC Sensation, and it's going to ask for a code. The generic code is 1, 2, 3, 4. A great feature of the Highlander navigation system is the Bluetooth transfer of your phone book. So it's going to automatically transfer the phone book contacts from your phone into the unit. So we're going to call, let's say we're going to call Jeremy. We're going to hit contacts. We can hit keyboard and go to his last name, starts with an S, go down till I see it, and we'll call his office. So now it's got the number to his office. We'll go ahead and push send, and it's going to say dialing. So it takes it a second to go ahead and dial. It's going to connect, and we should hear a dial tone. If you're anything like I am, I never go anywhere without my iPod. It's a good thing that the Highlander navigation system is not only iPod, but iPhone compatible. Let's go ahead and show you how to choose a song, a playlist, or even show album art. Let's go ahead and show some of the features of the iPod and iPhone capability. So first thing we go is iPod soft key, and on the screen pops the current song that's playing. So right now you've got your track, your artist, and your album. If I want to search for a particular song, we hit search, go into the music folder. Here is where you can search for either all your songs, your album, artist, or genre, or even playlists. So let's go ahead and search for artists, and it's all alphabetical order. You can either quick all the way down, kind of like you would with your iPod, up and down, push and hold. And let's go to a specific band, specific song, and up comes that song. Track, artist, album, as well as the album art. Connecting your iPod is quite simple. Open the glove box where the dealer has more than likely installed the iPod cable. Take it, click it into the bottom, and as soon as you do, you'll see the iPod turn on. Now that we've run through entertainment features as well as navigation features, something we shouldn't overlook is all the safety features this radio has. This vehicle actually came equipped with a rear view camera. It's actually reported that in the US, 50 children are being backed over by vehicles every week. One of the ways to get around this is by having a rear view camera that is actually connected to your mobile entertainment system. So when you go into reverse, what pops up is the rear view camera right on your screen. Now you notice that if we had not had the rear view camera and we looked around in my mirrors, I actually cannot see that tricycle. Well, there you have it. Toyota Highlander in-dash navigation system. Hope you learned something today. We'll see you on the road.